Hello dear students, it is Shathirani Sutradhar, Lecturer Department Biology, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Here I am back with Chapter 8, Our Resources. Today's topics: use of natural gas, processing of petroleum, use of petroleum, processing of coal, and use of coal. First of all, use of natural gas. We utilize natural gas for many purposes. One of them is in the production of urea. Approximately 21% of natural gas is used as a raw material for urea fertilizer in Bangladesh. About 51% of natural gas is utilized for producing electricity, while less 22% is consumed in industry, 11% in domestic purpose, and 11% as fuel. About 1% of natural gas is used in commercial organization as non-energy use. Rest 5% is system loss. In Bangladesh, natural gas has been used as a fuel in vehicles since 2003. Limitation and conservation. We have a definite and a limitation amount of gas reserve that will be depleted gradually after certain period due to consumption. Therefore, we have to be aware of using this valuable resource. We should not waste or misuse it anyway. We have to observe that some people keep their kitchen oven on all day long in their home unnecessary and misuse such an important resource which is highly objectionable. We must raise awareness among our family members and other people in our community. Petroleum. Petroleum includes all liquid fuels including propane and butane. Natural gas and petroleum are found together. Although propane and butane are gaseous substance in normal condition, that is 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmospheric pressure, they are compressed to liquid at higher pressure, and that is why they are included in petroleum. Gasoline, diesel and kerosene are also petroleum. Using of petroleum. The crude petroleum obtained from oil field is a mixture of various types of hydrocarbons and impurities like sulfur, and in most of the case it is not suitable for using directly. So, the refining of crude oil is required. Crude oil is refined by fractional distillation by heating at 400 degrees Celsius. Use of petroleum. The major part of petroleum is used as fuel in vehicles. Substantial amount of petroleum is used by diesel engine for many purposes including irrigation. In addition, petroleum is used in industry such as fertilizer, pesticide, coal tar, lubricant, grease, etc. Coal. Coal is a readily combustible black or blackish brown sedimentary rock. The main chemical element in coal is carbon. Based on geographical location, coal contains variable amount of hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen and nitrogen in addition to carbon. Since coal is burnable, it is widely used as a fuel. Although coal is a fossil fuel like natural gas and petroleum, the structure of coal is different from that of natural gas and petroleum. Coal was formed from the decay of huge fame, shrub, algae and other plants that grew in swampy and marshy land 350 million years ago. The carbon present in organic substance of plants accumulated on the bottom of the wetlands. There are three types of coal, and they are lignite coal, bituminous coal and anthracite coal. Anthracite coal is the oldest and hardest coal which formed 350 million years ago, and it contains approximately 95% of carbon. On the other hand, bituminous coal is 300 million years old, and the carbon content in this coal is 50 to 80%. Lignite coal is 150 million years old, and it contains maximum 50% of carbon. Processing of coal. Coal is extracted from mine with the help of machine. There are two methods of coal mining. One of them is open pit mining and the other is underground mining. Usually layers of coal occurs near to earth's surface, and that is why open pit mining is mostly used. After extraction from the ground, coal is transported to the processing plant by a conveyor belt, and impurities such as dirt, rock particles, ash, sulfur, etc. are removed from coal. Use of coal. In Bangladesh, coal is mostly used in brake kilns as a fuel. Small amount of coal is used as a fuel in industry and industrial residential purposes. Although coal is not used much for producing electricity in Bangladesh, most of the country in the world use coal for that. In addition, coal is used in hotel and restaurants to make smoked food items such as kebab and barbecue. Goldsmith and blacksmith use coal as a fuel to melt metals. Here we can see some figure of coal, and this is petroleum which we used in our vehicles. This is natural gas. It is also known everyone. Use of renewable fuel to conserve natural fuel. All the natural fuels discussed above will end one day. Therefore, we should increase the use of renewable energy to reduce the use of natural fuels and preserve them. We can use solar energy, wind, water, current, etc. to minimize the pressure on natural fuels. Thus, we can preserve natural energy for our future generation. It is homework for you. What is petroleum? What is meant by fossil fuel? How the fuel in figure A is processed to make it suitable for use? Explain. To produce energy shown in figure B, which one is economical between A and C? Justify your answer. You should everyone submit your ASW and screenshot your ASW and to your subject teacher and send to your subject teacher. Thanks. Keep watching and learning.